I was searching for a laptop from 1 month, then I bought this one because no laptop as good as this one in price of 30k with super fast SSD. Rebooting and shutdown time is less than 3 seconds. And all over performance is very fast. The best thing of this laptop is fast performance and its premium look. I had a doubt in AMD processor, but after research I found that AMD Ryzen 3 3200U is better than Intel Core i3. Gaming quality is not good but very good for normal work and students. If you want to buy a laptop in the range of 30k, then this is the best one. I hope it will be helpful. Writing this review after 45 days of usage. Pros: 1. You'll get 2666 MHz RAM instead of 2400 MHz written in box. 2. NVMe SSD makes this 4 times faster than SATA SSD. See to crystal disk mark points I get in the device. Not only boot up is fast, some software like Photoshop CS3, AutoCAD is also very responsive and fast. 3. Lightweight device. Mine is exactly 1743 grams. Good battery life if set to best battery life option with 40 to 50% brightness. 5 hours, something more. Lifetime Windows 10 Home and Office 365 subscription, which is good. You've to activate it though. 6. Ryzen 3 3200U with Vega 3 graphics helps it to run some games also. I tried Tomb Raider, Sleeping Dogs, PUBG PC Lite, PUBG Mobile Emulator, Crysis 2, Assassin's Creed IV and FIFA 15. All is giving 30 to 40 FPS with low and 720p settings. Cons: 1. Warranty. As soon you get the device, check your warranty in the HP official site. A lot of customer along with me got less than 1 year warranty. I got 7 months only. For this I have to hassle a lot with customer support. Very bad experience too. Build quality is not very good. Very flimsy. If you press a key hard, it will wobble the whole keyboard inside a little. 3. Even if you got 1080p screen, it is pretty horrible. You'll understand when you see for yourself. 4. It's AMD, naturally it gets hot in extensive usage. 5. No backlit keyboard. Summary: 1. Very good for light users, especially students in the price range. 2. Check the warranty. If you get less than 1 year, I suggest immediately return or replace it. Otherwise you've to hassle a lot, which is not very fun. 3. Don't game in it, though it can run some games. I'll suggest not to, as it doesn't have a heavy cooling system for continuous gaming. Heats up a lot. 4. Not for storage savvy people also. You get only around 200 GB storage except the system files. 5. See to price. Good device, must say, but not the best. Best in this range with AMD processor and with looks that flaunts everyone. Good one for day-to-day tasks. The product is an excellent buy for beginners, teachers and for people with light work. The battery life is quite good. I charged it once and it went on easily for 4 to 5 hours. All in all, a great buy at this budget. After a good amount of research for around a week or so for laptops under 30,000, I landed on this laptop. The other laptops under this range were Asus Series 5, IdeaPad 320, etc. Now this being a HP product is the best I found for myself. Anybody who needs a super fast laptop and does not crave for much storage, this is the best option for you. With 4GB RAM paired with a 256GB SSD, comes with preload Windows 10 and Microsoft Office activated 7kg. The build quality of this laptop is just built to last and very rigid. Also, on the HP official site there is the same laptop with 512GB SSD for 2000 above this price. Overall one of the best if not best laptops for under 30,000. Very beautiful and sleek design, good for work, decent size keyboard with separate small numpad, fast performance due to AT and Ryzen processor suitable for medium workload. Click link in description for more reviews.